Today I'm going to show you how to fix a brush with a separated ferrule. And since I gave you that fancy name for this metal piece right here, I'm going to first teach you the parts of a brush. This is the handle, ferrule, bristles. This is the heel, the toe, and this right here is the belly of the brush. Toe, belly, heel, ferrule, handle. And these are the bristles, okay? So the reason this happens, and look at how the paint's peeling off too. This is what happens when you leave your brushes like this in a bucket of water, okay? It destroys your brushes. And you can fix them. You know, they're just ugly afterwards. And since I'm an art teacher and I have 65 kids who are coming to pick up art supply packets, and part of which is brushes, I'm fixing all my broken ferrules right now. So normally I would use E6000 to do this so that they would be permanently repaired. Why, you might ask, would I not use the kind of glue they use at the factory to fix the handle into the ferrule? Well, because I just fixed 4 brushes with separated ferrules. That tells me that the glue they use doesn't work very well. It's not waterproof. Eventually your ferrules will fall apart. And there's 2 ways that you can fix them. If you want to fix them permanently so they never come apart again, I would use E6000, which is a craft epoxy that you can use for all kinds of art projects. You can get it at Michael's, Walmart, you know, the hardware store, just about anywhere. And once you use it, it will never come apart again. However, you have to let it sit overnight. And I don't have time for it to sit overnight because I have 65 kids coming to pick up art supply kits while we're closed for, you know, the school closures for the COVID-19 pandemic. So what I'm going to do is use my handy dandy glue gun. Now I just noticed that since I have done 4 takes on this video, I've used up some of my glue, hot glue, so I'm going to reload some hot glue in there. And I'm not going to fill this ferrule up with glue. I'm going to make like a little donut around the outer edge towards the top. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to put it in there. Now, because I did not fill my ferrule, or I should say overfill my ferrule, look at how there's no glue squeezing out there, okay? So that means that I don't have to do any cleanup. And look at how with hot glue it's already set. I don't want to tug on that too much, but I can just hand this to my students now. So let's review the parts of a brush. This is a handle. This is a ferrule. These are the bristles. This is the heel. This is the toe. And this is the belly of the brush in the middle. Okay? All right. Good luck with your painting.